Okay, YouTubers, arrma Typhon V2 version. I'm gonna try to trugify it. Here's the Badlands that were on it. It's these are great for speed and track, but jumping, forget about it. There's no sidewall. So I had these on the Talon, and I switched them, and I picked these up on eBay for 60 bucks. Some trenchers, 40 series with 0 offset wheels. I don't know the name of them, but they're really nice. Gives a truck a nice stance. And these are the Trencher X's, the Pro lines. Now they're the same diameter, except they're I don't know, good 3/8 half-inch wider, which is probably why my KRATON's running so hot. So I went and picked up some Castle Creation 1/8 inch scale fans. Alright, hooked it on there, fits on there like a glove. They don't do big. I'm returning them. Alright, so I picked up these from Hobbywing, and they're big. Then you first put them on. Don't worry about that. You start slowly bending it. Make sure you keep the fan on while you are bending it, or else the holes ain't gonna line up. And then when you're done, you got that, and you ain't going nowhere. And it's got that big old fan that'll cool it, because it's covering the whole can. Heatsink. So this one, believe it or not, I think was cheaper than these. So I picked them up on eBay. I think they were like $9-10 a piece. I picked up 3. I think they were $9, 27 bucks for 3 of them. Crazy cheap. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got some work to do. In order to get these on there, I gotta take the motors off. So last time on the video, I had told you I picked these up on eBay. You gotta look around. They sell. There's a bunch of sites that sell parts. They just break down the cars, and you know, they'll buy the car for 350 bucks, $400, and they'll part it out and get 600 bucks. But sometimes they get stuck with these, and you can get good deals. I paid like 40 bucks for this motor, and I won this on the bid too. Brand new ESC with the loop. 60 bucks. $100 for the pair. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong. If you take a look, I still gotta change my servo, but until the other ones don't break, I'm not changing them. But since I got the trucks apart, I might end up doing it. But that's it. I'm gonna try to trugify this. If I tighten it down, the hub's not big enough. Let's show you. It works fine on the Talon, but these hubs have no space or no offset, but the Talon does. So if I tighten it down, that rubs, because these are deeper than this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go bash it. It does work. I'm just gonna Loctite the nut on for now. It's still going. Yeah, it's still going. I'm gonna nut the nut on so the tires don't fall off. And if it works out good, then I'll just order some Talon hubs. Because as you can see, the KRATON, see that gap in between? KRATON's bigger, it's longer. The Talon's a little bit shorter, and then the Typhon's real short. It's right up against it. So, just makes it a wider stance. So that's it. Don't even bother with these these fans. They don't do shit. So, alright, that's my project. I figured I'd give you guys a heads up. Alright, I'm out.